Welcome to YUGAS Academy. So today we are going to continue with Geography Current Affairs series. And today we are going to see one of the most important topic for geography regarding geomorphology. So before that, YUGAS Academy Infinity Learning coming up with a prelims mastery series for every Sunday. It's a free session which is available on YouTube. So for further details, contact 9884372100 9500020200. Yugas Academy is coming up with polity module for TNPC Group 1, Group 2, Group 2A and Group 4. In this model, you will get a complete polity coverage concept along with MCQs discussions. Focus preparation as per TNPC pattern. So 5 full-length prelim test series will be conducted. Exam-oriented strategies and discussions will be held. For the further details, contact 9884327100. So now let us come up with a core discussion of geography. See, every year you will get a question with respect to geomorphology. See, geomorphology is one of the most important subject for prelims. So there is two different aspects. That is, along with interior of the earth, it is connecting with the earthquake. So there will be one question. Other than the earthquake, that means interior of the earth, exterior of the earth, that means along with the rotation and revolution. So you will get a question. See, yes, while we are discussing the PYQs, you will know how frequently UPSC repeats this subject on this topic. Okay, let's start the discussion. Earth's rotation is speeding up. This is the news. Earth's rotation is speeding up. So on July 9, 2025, Earth's rotation completes its in about 1.34 millisecond less than 24 hours. That means Earth's rotation completed before the 24 hours. Generally it shows the speeding up of the Earth's rotation. It shows the speeding up of the Earth's rotation. And also August 5, 2025. So predicted to be shortest day of the year. See, August 5, 2025 predicted to be a shortest day of the year. Even it is less than, that means Earth's rotation speed increases even more July 9, 2025. So it is marked as a shortest day of the year. So since 2020, see, since 2020, Earth has been spinning slightly faster. It is spinning slightly faster. So it is the day shortened about 1.3 to 1.5 milliseconds. Since 2020, the day shortened about 1.3 to 1.5 milliseconds. So this is this is the issue, means this is the core concept. Now let us discuss some of the reasons behind the acceleration. See, some of the reasons behind the acceleration. What are all the reasons behind the fast acceleration? So first prime reason is lunar influence. What is that? Lunar influence. Moon's position affects the earth's spin. Its gravitational pull create tidal friction, slowing the earth over the longer time scale. However, moon's orbit shift can momentarily increase the spin. See, here, here the core concept is moon's orbit, orbital rotation can eventually speed up the Earth's rotation. Speed up the Earth's rotation. That's all. Second, melting of ice. Second, melting of ice. You can relate this very easily. See, redistribution of mass alters the Earth's moment of inertia. So redistribution of mass alters the Earth's moment of inertia. So the Earth's speed gets increased. Rotational speed gets increased. Change in Earth's core. Change in Earth's core. So see, interaction between liquid and solid core component can affect the rotation. See, inside the Earth, see, we know that it is inside the Earth, even though it also affects the Earth's rotation. And ocean level changes and volcanic activities. See, ocean level changes impact of angular momentum and distribution. See, it is linked with melting of ice. So it is linked with melting of ice. Yes, ocean level changes, that also impacts the rotation of the earth. That also impacts the rotation of the earth. So historical insights. See, historical insights is during dinosaur era, earth completed its rotation in 23 hours. During dinosaur era, we have a data that earth's rotation was literally 23 hours. Now we are, see, now approximately 24 hours, not exactly 24 hours, it is 23 hours 56 minutes, like that. So now it is little bit, now it is little bit what, it is lessening. So So it is little bit lessening. That means Earth's rotational speed increases. Earth's rotational speed increases. Earth's rotation is not constant. So first of all, the first thing is you must know that Earth's rotation is not constant thing. It varies over centuries due to tidal interaction, mantle core dynamics, and meteorological shifts. See, this is the important for prelims. Prelims. See, this is important for prelims. So now they will simply ask which of the following. They will simply ask which of the following. One, two, three, four. They will list it, and they will ask which of the following. How many of the followings are responsible for Earth's rotation? See, they will not say Earth's rotation or speeden up or slower down. What they won't say anything, but they will say that what are all the factors responsible for the Earth's rotation? They will simply ask. See, let us discuss the previous year question paper with respect to about topic. UPSC prelims 2013. The wind is blown between 30° north and 60° north. Latitude throughout the year is known as westerlies. Yes. See, this is the wind blows between 30° north and 60° south. Latitudes throughout the year are known as westerlies. Yes, the moist air masses that causes the winter rain in north and western region is part of westerlies. Yes, both the answers are correct. Even though it is not discussed in about topic, but it comes under the about topic. Okay, both one and two are correct. So now 2014. See what they asked. Which are the following? This question as this will repeat it. This will repeat in 2026. Yes, see, exact question. What are all the following phenomena causes the rotation of the earth? Now let us say what are all the following phenomena causes the rotation of the earth. First, deflection of the wind. Second, rising and setting of the sun. Third, tides. See, they are asking which of the following phenomena is caused by rotation of the earth. Note the point, that is caused by rotation of the earth. See, deflection of the wind. Yes, the rotation of the earth, the deflection of the wind is a result of rotation of the earth, rising and setting of the sun. Because yes, you know that it is obviously two is correct. Obviously two is correct means you can eliminate one and three. Tides is not a phenomena that happens between rotation of the earth. Tide is a phenomena is the interaction between moon and earth. Moon and earth. So you must know this basic fact. Tides are the result of interaction between moon's gravitational force and the earth's gravitational force. So 3 is wrong. So once you eliminate 3, you will get the answer. See on which see, this is a pyq. This is a pyq of 2014. Now this is a pyq of 2016. On which of the following dates, day and night are equal all over the world? They are asking equinox. 21st March is a equinox. So equinox. Next, 2017. The phenomena of midnight sun can be observed in which of the following places? You know that midnight of the sun can be occurred in Arctic Circle and Antarctic region. Here in the option they gave only Arctic Circle. Okay, here Arctic Circle. Okay, that means if the Earth tilt towards, it's very simple. If the Earth is tilted, northern part of the Earth is tilted towards, you know that Earth is tilted 23.5 degree. Now the northern part comes under the face of the sun means Arctic Circle will be, sun can be observed at midnight phenomena. That means if the Earth goes this side, then southern part of the Earth will receive the sunlight for 24 hours. So you should be clear with your conceptual phenomena. So 2018, consider the following statement. The Earth's rotation causes Coriolis force. The Earth's revolution causes the season. See, which is correct? Earth's rotation causes Coriolis force. Earth revolution causes seasons. Yes, both are correct. Now, see how the PYQs are helping you. How the PYQs are helping you. Here itself, you know that Earth's rotation, deflection of the wind, that is called Coriolis force. This deflection of the wind is called Coriolis force. Then it is in 2014, the same question has been repeated in the means of concept. That is, Earth's rotation causes Coriolis force, Earth's revolution causes season. Okay? See, Earth's revolution causes season. Okay, which of the following is correct? So 2019, the amount of solar radiation received at the equator is more. See, amount of the solar light radiation received at the equator is more than the received at the poles. See, yes, statement 1 is correct. The rotation of Earth is responsible for the variation of length of the day and night. See, it is not rotation of the Earth. Rotation of the earth is not responsible for variation of the length of day and night. See, it is length of day and night is due to tilt and revolution, not rotation alone. Here, they mention only rotation. So, only one is correct. Now, 2020. With reference to Earth's atmosphere, which one of the following statement is correct? See, again, the revolution of the Earth causes season. Yes, this is correct. See, how many times same concept is getting repeated? How many times the same concept is getting repeated? Now, we shall have some basic discussion regarding the above current affairs topic. With reference to variation in the Earth's rotation speed, consider the following statement. The melting of polar ice caps due to climate change leads to redistribution of mass, thereby altering the Earth's moment of inertia. Yes, obviously one is correct. You know, just now we had discussed that that thing. Okay, next. Next. So while the tidal friction generally slows the Earth's rotation over the geological timescale, specific orbital shift of Moon can cause momentary increase in spin. See, just just recall what we discussed. Tidal friction generally slows the Earth's rotation. Tidal friction. Tidal friction slows down the what? Slows down the what? Earth's rotation. Earth's rotation over the geological timescale. Specific orbital shift of moon, specific orbital shift of moon can cause. They are asking specific orbital shift of moon can cause the momentary increase in spin. Yes, absolutely. We saw that tidal interaction also can cause the increase in speed. Historical data suggests that Earth's rotation speed is constant. See, you know that historical data suggests that it is not a constant. And 24 hours a day remained unchanged since Mesozoic era. You know that in dinosaur period, 23 hours. So, statement 3 is wrong. Change in interaction between Earth's liquid outer Change in interaction between Earth's liquid and outer core and solid inner core can influence the planetary angular momentum. Yes, this is correct. So answer is only 3. See, answer is only 3. See how the current affairs and question papers discussion makes you to recall all the points which are relevant to the exam. See how in what method I'm framing the questions also. See, question framing is will help you to recall the all the points which we discussed earlier. With reference to Metcar map project, alternative map system, consider the following statement. See, let us discuss the Metcar map project and then we can have a discussion with questions. So this, what is Metcar map project? See, what is Metcar map project? So the name suggests African Union is backing up the campaign. African Union is backing up the campaign to replace Metcar map project. See, so this is the reason why we are studying about Metcar map project. See, Metcar map project is second current affairs. First of all, first current affairs we saw about rotation and revolution of the earth. We discussed everything, every possible ways, how the question can come, and now we are moving to Metcar map project. See, Metcar map project. What is Metcar map project? See, you know that earth earth is not what we see in the globe. It is not like that. See, it is a module, but it is not exact because the size of the continent has been misshaped. The size of the continent has been misshaped. Okay, so everyone knows that earlier the type of these type of maps are created by Europeans. So now the African Union is start backing a campaign to replace Metcar map project. So why they are saying why they are saying that we don't want Metcar map project. So that means there is an issue in Metcar map project. What is the issue? See, Metcar map project. The issue in Metcar map project is the map distorts the land size. They are showing that African size is very much smaller than the real real thing. That means Africa appears small while inflating the continents. See, they are saying that they are projecting North America as bigger, Africa as smaller. So this is missshaping the Earth's projection. So now the problem is Africa shrinks near the equator while northern land masses are inflated. The main problem is Africa looks smaller when compared to northern part of the northern part. So now what is Metcar map project? Generally what is Metcar map project when it is started? It is a type of map projection created in 1569. See, these are all not important for the exam point of view. You should know just the history, just that's all. By Flemish cartographer Grednes Metcar. Grednes Metcar. So this man created a Metcar map project. So it's a key feature for see he just made a local shapes and angles. So and also he projected the Earth's projection. So preserves local shapes and angle, straight lines and compass bearing, and revolutionary for sailors. He earlier this map has been majorly used by travelers. See, and sailors. So for that he had created a map. Okay. So it has several limitations. See, the size has been distorted due to the equator. The Africa and the equator passing countries size has been shrinked. That means they showed small. Okay, so pole mapping also distorted. Now due to this, African Union, see, African Union as giving a alternative map projection system, that is equal Earth projection system. So that they are saying the shape is get distorted, so that we are coming up with a new projection system, that is equal Earth projection system. That means equal area, correct relative size, distorted shapes should be redrawn. So now they are saying that all area will be projected as per the real size. Next, this is one. Second alternative project is Gal Peters projection. See, it is projected in 1970s. See, they are also saying that equal area projection. So relative size with respect to the continent. So vertically stretches. Again, orthographic projection. So orthographic projection also saying that they are saying that we will show the Earth how it is appears from the space. Okay, but it will be little bit what? It will be little bit distorted also. So orthographic projection is not a valid projection. The issue is equal landmass is shrinks by the Metcar map project. So for see this, what is this issue in that? This basic issue is the real size of the country is not shown, so that the dominant position of the country has been reduced. The African Union contains 55 member states. See, this is little bit seems to be IR, international relation. So African Union, it contains 55 members. See, all members are located in African continent. Say they launched at 2002 July 9. So Durban at South Africa, 55 member state. Headquarters at Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. Addis Ababa, Ethiopia has been multiple times in the question with respect to IR map. Okay. Okay, let us see that they are projecting that Metcar map project is distorting the land, so we could go for equal Earth projection. So now let us have some model questions discussion with respect to this Metcar map project. Even though there is not much PYQs, there is I made a model questions. Okay, Metcar projection. With the preference of Metcar projection in alternative map system, consider the following statement. Metcar map projection preserves local shapes and angle, making it critical tool for maritime navigation. See, they are preserving local shapes and angles. Yes. And all rump lines appears as straight. Yes. All rump lines appears as straight. See, it is simply, you can remember that Metcar map projection looks for local shapes and angles, and it is critical tool for maritime navigators. Yes, it is correct. Under the Metcar system, the area of landmass accurately represented. See, you know that this is the issue. They are not accurately represented, ensuring equatorial region like Africa appears 14 times larger than Greenland. It must appear 14 times larger than Greenland, but they are not showing the real size. So statement 2 is correct, wrong. The Gall-Peter projection is equal area projection. See, Gall-Peter projection is alternative projection that also shows equal area projection only. So they also looking for equal area projection, popularized in 1970s. So correct size distorted but results in vertical stretching of the landmass. This is the issue. This is the issue. They results in vertical stretching of the landmass. Statement 4. The African Union, which succeeded in organization of African unity in 2002, it currently advocates for replacement of Metcalfe Map project to counter symbolic marginalization. Yes, yes. African Union headquarters Addis Ababa. Addis Ababa. So they are now fighting for the Equal Earth project. They are backing up with Equal Earth project since 2018. So 4 is correct. Only 3 statements are correct. Okay. Okay. Metcalfe Map project. Same question. So now let us come with another most important current affairs, that is India's maritime claims and UN clause. Okay, so far we had discussed two important current affairs. We shall see this in next video. So follow our YouTube channel Yugas Academy for further discussions. It will be very helpful for your UPSC prelims. I am damn sure that at least 2 or 3 questions will come from this discussions. Thank you.